Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video showing you the NFC tap feature. You see me tapping it right there to the black wallet, and it launches, in this case, my personal digital business card for Cobb wallets. And we have the Stars and Stripes canvas print, same thing, just tap it and loads the business card. And that's the card that's loaded on all the wallets when you get them. And you can use any app that you want. A lot of free applications out there to program the NFC chip that's designed right into the wallet. And in some cases, when the wallet's empty, it will scan through both sides. But when it's full of cards, it'll only scan through one side. And on these with the designs, it's always the design side. And also here's a quick clip just showing you how easy it is to put your cards and cash, to put them in and then take them right out. Super easy, super functional. And then with the added NFC, less that you have to carry around. Thanks for taking a minute to watch my video, guys. You can see the web address there, cobbwallets.com. Check them out. Lots of new designs going up, a lot of new materials going up. My personal favorites are the utility, the leather, and then of course those design prints there. Stars and Stripes through and through. So I'd keep them all if I could, but can't. So for the entire remainder of June, we are doing a 20% off sale. And no codes or anything like that needed. And orders over $35 are going to ship for free. So make sure you check it out at the website. And again, thanks for watching my video. You guys have a great day.